The Ergo Lift resolves every bad hand position a client has ever attempted. The Ergo Lift can improve the timing of your services so you can fit more clients in your schedule and even extend your working hours due to eliminating fatigue caused by the weight and pressure of the client hand and arm. Give your clients the comfort they need and extend your career by using the Ergo Lift. The Ergo Lift instantly improves your posture so you are able to keep your head over your shoulders and was designed to prevent repetitive use injuries by removing the weight that causes them. My goal is to extend, protect, and improve your career by providing a patented ergonomic handrest that can improve your speed, increase your income, reduce fatigue, retain clients, improve posture, and prevent repetitive use injuries. Never suffer again from painful wrists, elbows, shoulders, back, or neck. Success begins with a philosophy of prevention and preservation. Welcome to the first day of the rest of your career. You now have complete control over every bad client hand position by using the Ergo Lift.